and welcome back to another video. Today I've got a couple of kits that I've gotten in from Simon Says Stamp that I wanted to share with you. The October kit, I actually had gotten it last week and I filmed an unboxing video, but then when I went and looked online, the kit was already sold out. So I debated on whether to put up anything, but the individual components are still available, so I will link down below to as many of those that are available. This stamp set is really beautiful. It's called Sketch Flowers, and I just love the script handwriting in these sentiments. It's really beautiful. So you've got "So happy you're my friend," "Love you," "Get well soon," "Hi," "With sympathy and love," "Thinking of you," "You're in my thoughts," "Sending hugs," "Congrats," "Happy as a birthdays to you," "Hello," "Thanks," and "Smile." And you got all these pretty flowers, and that is a huge flower single stamp right there that's just beautiful. And then it had alcohol inks and the lift ink pad. I've done some alcohol ink backgrounds. I have not played with the lift ink yet, but I do want to do that soon. It also came with some Yupo paper, and then it came with these, they're by Gina K Designs, and these are toner printouts, so you can just put the foil on and you basically have the front of a card ready to go. And they've got all sorts of different really pretty ones, and I'm going to just link to that whole page over on the website. And then you've got all the Gina K fancy foils. Now for this kit they did an exclusive autumn pack, which is not available, but I will again link to the page where it has all their fancy foils, and these with the glittery stuff in it is just really pretty. So I am going to do these really soon because that is a quick and easy card right there. Okay, so let me move this aside and we'll get to the next thing, which is the Halloween kit. And look at all this fun stuff you get. You get spiderweb, which I think we're going to have some fun putting those out. And okay, let's see what else we get. You get a full-size Simon Says Stamp Intense Black ink pad. I use this all the time. It's great for Copic coloring, watercolor, just about anything you want to do. Okay, let's see. American Crafts, The Color of Halloween treat bags. Okay, so this is a little pack of treat bags. How cute is that packaging? So you got all these bags to make individual treat bags, and then you have toppers to decorate it with. Oh, and googly eyes. You know, gotta love some googly eyes. Okay, so that's fun. Oop, I'm losing some of my bits and pieces. Let me just set that aside. Oh, there's my candy. Let me gather up my little bits and pieces that fell out here. Got little spiders and eyes and all sorts of stuff everywhere. Okay, we got these puppy stickers by Pebbles. Pebbles always makes the greatest puppy stickers, so those are really fun. And then we got this die that is a little ghost, and it cuts out the word boo, so you can use the boo separate from the ghost, so that's really cool. It's kind of like a two-for-one. And these are more little bags that you can make into treat bags. And these are Pebbles, the same collection. There we go. And these are just cardstock shapes. It's hard to say too fast. You get a whole package of spiders to put on your spider web. And then and I'm sure this is by Pebbles too, the paper. And this is embossed, so those are raised little dots on there. They're shiny. So you get all sorts of fun patterned papers. I love the bats. They're raised too. They're embossed. The little trick-or-treaters. So cute. And you get the little strip that's different. That's neat too. So like even on the outside, those are raised. Okay, the stamp set. This stamp set is so cute. It is called Frightful Fun. And look at the little puppy dog peeking out behind the coffin. That is so cute. You're so awesome. It's mummy-nific. You got a boo. Oh, wow, that's really pretty. I like that. And this big creepy tree with spider webs and owls in it. You get a little candy apple. That little skeleton guy's cute. The cat in the cauldron, that's cute. We'll always be friends. I feel it's in my bones. We'll always be friends. I feel it in my bones. It's going to be a great Halloween. Let's get this Meowoween party started. Which way to the candy? Batty for treats. Happy boo to you. Happy Halloween. Spooky. Did someone say candy? Have a, and then you got full of frightful fun. So you can build lots of different sentiments with this, and there's just tons of images. Tons and tons of images on this. So you can build all sorts of scenes. So really awesome 6x8 stamp set there. And we got some great Doodlebug brads that are little ghosts. Doodlebug makes the cutest stuff. You get a little bottle of glossy accents, which is always handy. And then let's see, what is this by Nuvo here? Let me get into this. This is Nuvo Ivory Sands Glitter. Oh, so it's kind of like a champagne colored glitter. I don't want to take the top off that. That could get messy. Okay, and then we got some cardstock. We've got purple. We've got white. We've got a lime green, black, and orange. So all fun Halloween colors. So that is the Halloween kit. I will have everything individually linked below, kit information linked below. So if you see, these will make some great Halloween cards, and you've got all this fun stuff to make treat bags. So lots of fun goodies for Halloween. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.